This rare Vogel crystal star of David pendant, cut from natural Lemurian clear quartz from Brazil, emanates unmatched brilliance and sacred energy. Handcrafted with intention by our master lapidary, its hexagram design, created by Dr. Marcel Vogel, is both striking and profoundly powerful, amplifying the universal energy of clear quartz to enhance your aura and align your energy field. Known as the universal healing stone, clear quartz amplifies and balances intentions, opening both heart and mind to divine guidance while energizing the entire chakra system. Paired with a luminous gold-plated rope chain, the pendant unites the healing clarity of quartz with the radiant energy of gold, creating a synergy of balance, warmth, and spiritual harmony. A timeless heirloom, this pendant is more than jewelry. It is a finely tuned energy tool, crafted to illuminate your path with light and purpose.